Oh my God, they killed Blank! You bastards! Oh my God, they killed
Mama Luigi!
You bastards!
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People, let me tell you about my best friend.
Oh my God, they killed
Too many toasters.
You bastards!
The one boy, cuddly toy, my up, my down, my pride and joy. People, let me tell you about him. He's so much fun. Whether we're talking man to man or whether we're talking sun to sun.
Oh my God, they killed
Wilkie Waffles!
You bastards!
He's my best friend. Yeah, he's my best friend. La la.
Oh my God, they killed an effeminate summon homophobe! You bastards! Oh my God, they killed John Wilkes Booth! You bastards! Oh my God, they killed Gandhi! You bastards! Oh my God, they killed Dwayne The Rock Johnson! You bastards! Oh my God, they killed Republicans! Oh my God, they killed the TARDIS! You bastards!
Conrad needs a drink. Or two.
Yeah.